Work boots engineered for mechanics sit at the intersection of protection, comfort, and durability. Mechanics demand footwear that can withstand slippery floors, puncture-prone surfaces, chemical exposure, and long hours on hard concrete. The following evaluation pits 5 popular models across a price spectrum.
List number 1. Skechers Men's Bergen Tarlac Industrial Boot. The Skechers Bergen Tarlac Industrial Boot is a lightweight, budget-friendly option designed for all-day wear in workshop settings. Its simple silhouette emphasizes comfort and easy break-in, with a focus on everyday durability rather than heavy-duty worksite armor. The boot includes a traditional work boot profile with a reinforced toe and supportive midsole, making it suitable for daily shop tasks, light mechanical duties, and general maintenance work. At $37.77, it occupies a value-forward position in the lineup, aiming to deliver comfort without sacrificing basic protection. In performance terms, the Bergen Tarlac excels in light to moderate environments, where long shifts demand cushioned support rather than maximal stiffness. The outsole provides decent slip resistance on common workshop contaminants, and the overall weight helps reduce fatigue during repetitive kneeling or climbing. However, it lacks aggressive toe protection or a puncture-resistant plate found in higher-end boots, which means it's less suited for heavy mechanical repair, oil spill exposure, or environments with sharp debris. Users should expect more flexible materials and less piercing protection under demanding tasks.
List number 2. Sureway Men's Slip-On Work Boots. Sureway's slip-on work boots present a full-grain leather construction with anti-static properties and water/slip resistance, tailored toward professional mechanics and industrial use. The slip-on design offers rapid on-off usability for fast-paced work environments, while the leather upper provides durability and a more professional appearance compared to fabric uppers. At $74.99, these boots are positioned as a premium among our 5 choices, emphasizing protection, moisture management, and a secure fit for long shifts in fire stations or construction settings. Performance-wise, these boots excel in traction, static dissipation, and moisture control. The full-grain leather contributes to better abrasion resistance, and the anti-static feature helps protect sensitive electrical components and reduce shock risk in certain maintenance tasks. The slip-on design can be convenient, but may trade some ankle support versus traditional lace-ups. And the absence of a clearly defined toe bar or puncture plate means their protection level is solid but not extreme. Ideal for mechanics who prioritize speed, static control, and consistent outsole grip in wet or oily environments.
List number 3. Work Boots for Men Soft Toe. Everboot's 6-inch soft-toe leather work boots are designed for construction and heavy-duty environments, offering a leather upper and a rubber sole suited for traction on uneven surfaces. The 6-inch height adds ankle protection, while the soft-toe configuration keeps weight down and provides comfortable daily wear. Priced at $61.74, these boots strike a balance between price and protection, aiming at users who need reliable everyday construction footwear without the bulk of steel-toe models. In practice, the 6-inch leather design provides notable ankle support, and the rubber sole delivers solid grip on concrete and loose debris. The soft toe is appropriate for non-heavy impact tasks, but it means reduced protection against heavy blows compared to steel-toe variants. This makes them well-suited for general construction work, carpentry, or shop maintenance where the risk of severe toe impact is lower, yet the boots still deliver good durability and reliable traction. For oil and chemical exposure, you may want to verify sole resistance ratings or consider additional protective features.
List number 4. Furuian Steel-Toe Boots for Men/Women. Furuian steel-toe boots deliver steel-toe protection with a lightweight design and slip-resistant upper, advertised as puncture-proof and indestructible. The high-top construction emphasizes ankle protection and support for long shifts, while the slip-resistant outsole aims to improve grip on slick workshop floors. The price of $35.99 makes this the budget option in the lineup, offering steel-toe protection without stepping into premium price territory. From a performance standpoint, these boots aim to maximize safety features at a low cost, which can be attractive for users who need steel-toe protection on a tight budget. However, the trade-offs typically involve heavier weight than non-steel options, potential stiffness and break-in, and variability in outsole durability. For mechanics dealing with heavy debris, nails, or sharp objects, the puncture resistance and steel toe provide essential protection, but real-world durability will hinge on material quality and construction consistency. They're best for occasional heavy-duty tasks or as a primary budget work boot for daily shop use.
Number 5. Angry Ram's Steel Toe Slip-On Work Boots for Men. Angry Ram's Steel Toe Slip-On Boots combine steel toe protection with a convenient slip-on design and waterproofing features, targeting mechanics and fire service professionals who value rapid donning and reliable water resistance. The slip-on style can improve on-the-go efficiency in busy shops, while the steel toe provides robust protection against heavy objects and impact. Priced at $49.99, this model sits in the mid-range for this category, offering a practical mix of protection, convenience, and weather resistance. In use, the slip-on design is a major usability advantage, enabling quick boot changes between messy job sites and clean indoor spaces. The waterproof feature helps with wet floors, chemical spills, or rainy outdoor tasks, while the steel toe remains a constant protection layer. The trade-offs often include reduced lace adjustability and potentially less ankle lockdown compared to traditional lace-up boots. Overall, these boots are well-suited for mechanics who prioritize speed of donning, reliable protection, and water resistance in mixed environments.